Uh, Hello everybody. Today I'm in shirt and everything today. Like I had to be in an event and I had to come back. So what was this event about and everything? I've been recorded in a video and the video quality is not that good. So it'll be more like a reminiscing the day's video in the upcoming years. I'll release it on the day. I think that's good for it. So we are 35 points away from gold, as you can see. I'm actually delighted that they started off with a single star like 4 days ago, 4 or 5 days ago, and we came all the way to this point where we're gonna achieve a gold star, which just means that we are strong in our basics of Python. And today we're gonna once again do a matte design. You guys know how much I hate a matte design thing. So I hope it's not a very long stream for a single, you know, problem that accounts to 20 points. If we do that, then we need to do another one which will take an equivalent amount of time because the consecutive problems are both math design. And you guys know how much I hate it. You guys know definitely know how much I hate it by this time. If you've been following up from the first episode, I actually start with 30 days of code because I couldn't do it. I had a meeting till in the morning and then I had to wake up, sleep like 2 hours and then go back, present a project, come back, sleep a bit, and then go to the dress up for this event. Especially, so I have to take a second bath today, which I don't frequently do, and I have to set up my hair. Like as you can see, I have like this much hair and all. When it comes to engineering college, you don't have time for haircut. Also, I don't understand the language the barbers speak over here, and it's very hard to commune with him and then ask him to do the haircut that I like the most, which takes a lot of time out of the day. Also, if I'm going for an haircut, I need to rely on someone. That's usually one of my friends used to do, but he's no longer with me in the hostel. He's staying outside. So yeah. So without further ado, I've been talking for a couple of minutes though. I'm just resting a bit to set up the mind to code because if we lose today, then we lose our streak. So we shouldn't do that. And I have my room all to myself tonight, so we can stream as much as we want till I get a call to go do something, maybe a meeting or something like that. I'm actually waiting on a meeting call. But I do want to say something today that I'll talk to you guys about it after the session. After we reach that 40 points, I'll talk to you about something that I wanted to about, tell that, tell to everyone. So I can't technically play you guys songs, so I'm not gonna do that. Instead, I'll be listening to songs and coding today. I'm not sure whether I have the energy to talk that much today, so it will be so less talking and more programming. Uh, yeah, so let's go on. People do ask me why I actually started this channel, especially my professors and everyone do ask me that. Why have I started this late into my career of engineering? It's because blogging. I think coding plus blogging is clogging. I'm not sure. So clogging. Let's call it clogging. Clogging is something that the other meaning, but let's say for our word thing, we'll do this. So they ask me that. I do this because whenever I talk, I tend to repeat words that mean the same, and I don't want to do that. So I'm reading a lot of books, uh, usually, reality-based fiction or teen novels, like in the not the novels that came after around 2015 or something like that. I'm reading Lynn Painter. I'm actually following the suggestions given to me by Ellie Palm. So if you want to check our content out, you can Haley Palm. She's a booktuber. That is book reviewer slash YouTuber, something like that. So you can check her out, and then our usually our suggestions are very good, but it's all cheesy and corny because you know it's all the teen novels have the same thing. But this movie that I'm reading, sorry, this book I'm reading right now, better than the movies, has a very good plot, and I think that will be a very good connecting factor towards the guys who are born after the year of 2005, 2007, and 2008. I'm not those years born, but even though I gravitate towards a book which has references towards the movies I like and I watched and the soundtracks I listen to a very diverse genre of soundtracks. Like if I'm going into a rock artist, I listen to that artist albums from the debut to the latest ones. I listen to that entirely. So if I pick an artist, I listen to them. So I am not a genre specific likey guy. I do have a playlist which just has movie soundtracks, whichever the movies I like, I used to save a soundtrack of it so that whenever I listen to the soundtrack, I can track back the story of the particular film. I do watch a lot of movies that too. Oh God, oh God, oh God. Hey, wait a minute. We can do this. All we have to do is you are given an integer n. Your task is to print an alphabet rangoli of size n. Rangoli is a form of Indian folk art based on creation of patterns. Different sizes of alphabet rangoli are shown below. Okay. So the rangoli has the first alphabet letter A and the boundary as the nth alphabet letter in alphabetical order. Complete the rangoli function in the editor below. So if 10 is given in the center, we need to, okay, if it is 10, we need it like the size is entirely 10. So we need to print the entire alphabet digits, which means that we can get references from both, like 2 days we did, right? The formatting and everything will come into handy and stuff. It's kind of hot in here, but come on, guys, 20 points, we can do this. So I want to play some songs. To play songs, I use Brave. I'm not gonna show you guys my Brave. Oh. I really love dressing up and going to an event where everyone actually respects you and listens to what you gotta say. It's something that doesn't happen that often for me because people either lose interest on what I have to say or I lose interest on what they have to say. So yeah, that's there. I I majorly gravitate towards topics like advancements in the neural networks and the cosmos. I love space talk. I just love space talks like any other thing. Space talks is something that you can only do with people who actually get it, actually think that have the same notions and things with you, but indeed they will contest you in terms. Something like that, man. That is something unique about the people. Then, all right, now let's get let's open our VS Code. This is the project I did last night. Like if you get a script, then it gives you, you know, text to speech stuff. I used GTTS, Google Text to Speech. It's a very simple code, but you can actually give it as a project in your initial years. If you're in engineering, they will be like, oh, that you know that. But in recent years, it's becomes obsolete that anyone can do that, but people don't look into this type of stuff. Uh, where is our with Mac? Yes, sir. Yeah, we got it. So we need this. Oh, we forgot to do 30 days 30 code. Uh, please, please, please. I'm not listening to please, please, please. So yeah, so don't judge me, man. Okay, 30 days, 30 codes. What we have to do here in this channel, we are going to learn about Alright. In this subject, we are going to learn about the difference between a class and an instance because this is an object-oriented concept. It's only enabled in certain. Check out the tutorial. Okay, if we are doing OVB, object-oriented programming. So yeah, write a person class with an instant variable age. Okay. So wait a minute, instance variable, right? So class, sorry, that was age equals. Okay, initial age as a parameter. Okay, I learned this. We have to do this like this. Okay, age equals initial initial age plus one. Okay, and it should perform the following conditional actions. If I'm just writing the conditions, so that's pretty much has to be known to us by now. Hence, I'm not gonna go again and again because we just have 44 minutes to complete this, and we are nowhere near the actual solution. And I hope that we get this right, man. We get this right. Okay. The hell? Rainstorm. Oh shit. I just instead of a comma. Oh wait, I did give a comma. Where is this? Oh, we can. Shit. Why can't I do range of like this? So zero is a start integer and 13 is my other integer. Why can't I have it like this? That is definitely. Is that an range of get started and am I getting as input? Am I getting complete the method definitions? The input is handled by you by the stub code in the editor. The first line contains an editor, an integer t, the number of test cases, and the t subsequent lines each contain integer either suppose an instance. Okay, that is not Python. This is Java. This is not Python. Is this Python? It is Python. I'm just gonna copy and paste this, and then we can understand the code as we are running out of time. This is not definitely we learn how to code, but maybe if self, oh, they already given T. They're not. Mhm. For last one, we need it says you are a teenager, you are old, which means that this is your it's because she's greater than or equal, less than or equal to 18. Nah, that's right. That's bad. That's not good. And it should have said you are old. You are yeah, okay. You are a teenager, and it says you are a teenager. That wait a minute. Everything is right. Wait a minute. How was -1? code and it's invalid. And uh, this equals 1 year passes. Mhm. Don't say it's because of something. Because of the full stop. It's because the goddamn full stop once again. Hmm. Can we do capitalized instead and show alphabet triangle? So definition all of this. So it's just a string where we have to take the we avoid taking so taking output part that doesn't console says. Uh, or how can we how to capitalize a particular thing? How to capitalize? 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 String manipulation. Oh, yes, this is in C++. you can just use title of. And this should. What do you mean it doesn't work? I don't even write that. FPTR plus new line plus non-type operand types. Ah, so don't worry, I'm gonna use this one. Print of this one. Correct. I used it. So first and foremost, we need to check whether this particular thing works or not. So this is capitalized, right? Or TY. I'm not sure we're gonna achieve 40 points tonight. Rangoli is gonna take a lot of time. Before that, we need to check whether this works or not, and why it doesn't work, and a lot of things we need to check. In the meantime, I think I'm done with all the .ftpr.os. OS is not defined. OS is in the. Oh, okay, we need to import OS. Sorry, import OS. Now, okay, we need to give output path as well. So, uh, pros and OS. No, 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 no. Fuck this. Go in, go in. Is my mouse not working properly? For this. Uh, oh, environment, Unicode code can't decode bytes in position 2, 3, truncated, escape. I don't think we can't edit this anyway, so how about I give it like this? String of S1. Anyway, it's a string, so mm, str. Why are we getting this? because he needs a front of. So I was Stabilski. How does title of work, anyways? So we need to check that. Go on. That's risky. It works. It fucking works. So title of works means that all we have to do is need to adjust it according to the input. So solve of first is the thing, but I don't know why we are getting result plus new line. Is it because what is sample input is just Chris Allen and it's just one. So it just says sample case itself is not getting why. If you look at the sample input is and look at the expected dollar word, what the fuck? What the hell, man? So which is a thing? It's dot title of. So we don't actually have to change in the string or not, just a dot title of should suffice. Where your yes is defined in here. So I'm just gonna run it. And we're gonna get the same error that result plus new line. Can we change this? We can't change that, which means that mm, front of S1 comma I don't think it's something wrong with the code. FTPR dot write off. What is FTPR dot write off? FTPR dot write off Python file write method. Yes. Writes a string to a file. When the method writes the string into this file, it is first written into the internal buffer, and once the buffer is full, the contents are then transferred to the current file. Due to this buffering, the string may not actually show up in the file until the flush out or sub methods are called. If the current is empty, the method adds context. Wait a minute. Okay, we do get close off in here that uh, I'm listening to a Disney soundtrack. What? I can I can listen to Disney soundtrack. we don't need to have print at all. If we don't have print, uh, let's just remove print. What if I just leave it at that? Untype, it says none. Return, yes. Hmm. Da, da, da. We can print this, we can't return this. Where is the ocean? Where is it under? And in the darkness, and in the thunder, I don't cry, you're not here to crumble, and then with the time, you'll be later. Oh, at 3G, remaining all the cases, just one. This is something I INS dot split off splitting it with this and written like S plus and I dot capitalize. Tab. That's it. So when this is splitting it and then updating the name, it's just a empty string and updating its return name plus a gap. Where was the gap? Was I dot capitalized was. We're 15 points away. Banana. Yeah, we got banana. And that is start. So we just have one parameter that is string and we need to make a game out of it. Game where both players are given the string, both players have to make substrings using the letters of the string. Yes. Stuart has to make words starting with consonants. Kevin has to make words starting with vowels. The game ends when both players are made of versus substrings. As player gets plus 1 point for each occurrence of the substring in the string. Okay, this one it's not load right now. Uh, what is merge the tools? Oh, hell no. How about we stop at tonight at this 15 points from our goal badge? Or can we go to sets and then just do a basic one like right, introduction to sets? That gives us a 10. Task now. Let's use our knowledge of sets and Elf McKeemus. Gabriel Williams is a bot name. Wait, I'm getting a text. Just a minute. Mm, mm, mm. Mm. Oh, just a minute, I'll be back. I'm back. I'm just making some last minute arrangements. So we will get back to the coding part, of course. Just wait a bit. I'm almost done. I'm just looking for some last minute notes. Not regarding our code though. So yeah. Right. Mm, mm, mm. Honestly, when I got time to So I think it's either Python Rangoli or the Minion game. So uh, string s of length n where s equals to c naught c naught c minus 1. So k is a factor of n. You can split into n by k, so it's a string. Uh, I'm gonna take a break. Maybe I'll get back to. I said the same last night, but I was stuck in doing an assignment, a video assignment for my project. Uh, Anyways, guys, I think we are 15 points away, and it's best that I actually learn what to do in this alphabet Rangoli thing, or if we just try to, how to print consequently, if we know something about that, because I have no idea where to start and where to end this. Because the size is 5 and the size is nothing but the width. And if you think it in that way, if you format it like that, so yesterday we just had how to say, a single element like a pipeline on a two nudges, and now we need to get the every letter of the alphabet. What if we do for I in range of A to Z? Can we do for I in A to Z, for I in A to Z? Does it work? Does it work like that? Print of I doesn't work like that, right? Yeah. How to print every alphabet using Python. Now my brain is firing up. I think it's coming back to, okay, print alphabets to then. That is what we need. Uh, mm, Sing loop dot character of number of elements required for index. Oh, so 97 is the start of A. We can use this. Mm, Print of. Wait a minute. I don't think we can do it like that. Don't we need to import something? It doesn't say exactly we need to do that, but still, I'm not sure. Uh, there are somewhere we check with rejects, right? We don't exactly do it. Hey, wait a minute. Python 3. It's better I just read more about this and solve this question. I don't want to copy it off of anything. Hence, I think that's it for the day. I've been just staring at a window, thinking about how to solve this and stuff mostly. Uh, how about I just stop here and we'll we'll hop on a live tomorrow as uh, soon as possible because it's off day for me as well. So we did earn around 20 points today, so that is something. And ranking went up as well. So we are ranked around 3,23,822 right now. After we receive our gold badge, we most probably will be getting like less than 3 lakhs. And we do need to do this 30 days of code gold badge as well. If we do that and then maybe 10 days of statistics. Should I start 10 days of statistics? I'm just gonna go, just to give you guys some content, I'm gonna just go to tutorials and then take 10 days of statistics. Join 10 days of statistics. Okay, first we gonna do this. In this challenge, we practice calculating. Just a minute, I just received a mail. Mm, 2nd December, okay. Mm, so, okay, in this challenge, we practice calculating the mean, median, or check a little bit for instructional video. Mhm. Just a minute, I just wanna look at the video. So, uh, mm, mm, mm. All right. I don't know what a mean is, what a median is, anything. So, is it different? Uh, is it actually different? Uh, uh, just a minute. So the first line contains an integer n, the number of elements in the array. It must be easy if we get n equals int of input of, and then if it is an array, how will we get an input in an array? Get an input in an array into an array. Python. Yeah, gonna take this, put this in. Okay, so we got the list. So for mean, we're gonna do sum1 equals sum of lst, and mean equals sum1. It has to be divided, right? Divided by n, and print of mean. And for median, we need the exact middle number, right? Or yeah, we do need median. Median has to be the element that occurs most frequently in data set. Okay, the midpoint value of a data set for which an equal number of samples are less than and greater than. For an odd sample, this is the middle element of the sorted sample. For an even sample, this is the average of the two middle elements. So how do you get the middle elements exactly? If n divided by 2 gives equal 0, then so we need to get a list of n I equals n divided by 2, print median equals print of uh, lst I if n 2 equals 1, then we take 2 of the middle numbers, right? I'm not sure how we'll do that, so I'm just gonna leave it at that. But for mode, uh, find mode me status, we can just statistics in Python. Uh, oh, we can just give statistics dot mean. Okay, instead of median equals statistics dot median of LST. You're crazy. Sorry. Okay, I'm just gonna close this as we import statistics. Print of median, and for mode we're just gonna do mode equals statistics dot mode of LST. Uh, we don't need to have enter number of elements. Yes, oh, okay. This for number of elements though. Why does it want to give everything over there? Number of elements as input. Oh, 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 oh. Uh, mm, run a scanner. Just one input. So sorted of list of map of int comma input of dot split. Oh, okay. You just took it as that. That's it. Sort the list and map enter any type input of split it all and then mean of x and everything. Just did it. Alright. Alright, I think that's it for the day. I'm not gonna do JavaScript, I don't know JavaScript. So never check the math module, like find the point. Okay. Oh, this is find pointer. Okay, we'll look at this tomorrow. As soon as we get a chance, we'll do something. Anyways, thank you all for joining today, especially the stream. I'll see you guys tomorrow.